Why do some babies skip crawling and start walking? In this video, we will discuss. Crawling is often considered an essential milestone in a baby's growth. But the truth is, not all babies crawl. Some prefer rolling, scooting, or even skipping crawling altogether. When do babies start crawling? Most babies start crawling between 6 and 12 months. But if your baby isn't crawling yet, don't panic. Some babies take their time, while others might skip crawling entirely. Is it normal if my baby doesn't crawl? Not crawling is completely normal for some babies. Crawling isn't a necessary developmental stage. Some babies prefer pulling themselves up and cruising along furniture instead. Why some babies don't crawl? 1. Curved-in feet. Some babies are born with curved-in feet, flat feet, or bow legs. These conditions can make crawling more difficult, but they usually resolve on their own as the baby grows. How you can help? 1. Perform gentle stretching exercises to help straighten the legs. 2. Allow your baby to move freely on a soft mat to develop their leg muscles. 2. Lack of motivation. Some babies do not feel the need to crawl because they are always carried or entertained. How you can help? 1. Place your baby's favorite toys just out of reach to encourage movement. 2. Get down on the floor and crawl with your baby to demonstrate. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby development related videos. Please continue watching. 3. Not enough tummy time. Tummy time is crucial for developing neck and upper body strength. Babies who spend too much time lying on their backs may struggle with crawling later on. How you can help? 1. Start with short periods and gradually increase the duration. 2. Use colorful toys or mirrors to make tummy time more engaging. 4. Baby is overweight. Babies who are overweight may find it harder to lift their bodies and move around. Extra body weight can make crawling more challenging. How you can help? 1. Limit prolonged periods of sitting in strollers or bouncers. 2. Ensure your baby follows a balanced diet for healthy growth. Should you worry if your baby skips crawling? Many babies skip crawling and go straight to walking. If your baby is active and progressing well, there's no need to worry. When to worry? You should seek help if your baby 1. Shows no signs of movement after 12 months. 2. Has stiff or floppy limbs. 3. Struggles to support their weight when held upright. Not all babies crawl. Trust your baby's pace and enjoy the journey. However, do not hesitate to seek professional guidance if you have concerns about your baby's development.